so excited to finally become Mrs. Ryan. It's been wonderful with Mark from the start.
You know, she's an avid sports fan just like me, so we get to have that friendly competition about our hockey teams, and you know, she's always up to travel and spontaneous road trips every time, so it's amazing, and she's a caring, lovable person. Love that we get to enjoy this beautiful, pure Michigan day and be able to be around family and friends and just have a joyous event with everyone.
Mark is just the sweetest guy. He spoils me when he doesn't need to, and I know he makes, terrible dad jokes and puns all the time, but it's going to keep me laughing for the rest of my life, and I couldn't be happier to be starting our life together today.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered.
The art of a good marriage. The little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is never taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with a honeymoon, but should continue throughout the years. It is not only marrying the right partner, but it is being the right partner. Do you, Mark, take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife, to love and respect her, honor and cherish her, in health and in sickness, in prosperity and adversity, leaving all others and keep yourself wholly unto her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Melanie, in a like manner solemnly agree to receive this man as your lawfully wedded husband, to love and respect him, to live with him in all faith and tenderness, in health, sickness, and in prosperity, in adversity, and leaving all others to keep yourself unto him so long as you both shall live? Will you, Melanie, take this ring as a token of Mark's love for you, and will you wear it as a token of your love for him?
I will.
Will you, Mark, take this ring as a token of Melanie's love for you? And will you wear it as a token of your love for her?
I will.
I now, by authority committed unto me as a minister of the gospel in the presence of God and these witnesses, declare that Mark and Melanie are husband and wife according to the ordinances of God and the laws of the state of Michigan. From this moment on, you both shall be known as Mark and Melanie Ryan, so long as you both shall live. Mark, you may kiss your bride. It is my pleasure to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Melanie Ryan. Thank you.
I'm very proud of my daughter, and I'm very proud of that she picked someone that's a perfect complement to her, and that they'll be happily for a long time. And today was beautiful, and my daughter was beautiful, and I'm just very happy to be able to be here.
I think more than anything, I love the wedding vows, the part where you put the letters in the box with your feelings for each other. I think that was just wonderful.
I built you a clock, a grandfather clock, and I hope that every time you look at it, every time you hear it chime, you think of your grandfather. And Aileen and I both wish you a long, happy life together.
Hi, Melanie. I'm just so happy that today came, and I know it's 2 years in planning, and now you're Mrs. Ryan. So happy for you and Mark as you joined each other in this venture together and have fun in Ireland. Love you. I'm so proud of you and everything you do.
I love all the little details that she put in, and I love how they love each other and how they're together.
Hey Mark, hey Melanie, congratulations. It was a very good ceremony. I'm very happy for you guys.
No, I enjoyed it. I love to do weddings. Was my 26th wedding. Well, I've been married 50-some years, and we've gotten along all these other years, so it's possible.
We wish many, many, many more years for Melanie and Mark. Yeah, see if you can make 55 like Grandma and Grandpa.
Her and Mark worked so hard to make sure that this event would come off without a hitch. But what the beautiful gardens, the food, the people, everything is just perfect, and we couldn't ask for more.
This has been an awesome day. I couldn't be happier for the both of you. Love, Mom.
Please rise out of your seats. Please rise out of your seats for the rock stars for the night, VIPs for the night. Introducing the phenomenal bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Road.
I knew that Mark was the one from the first time she talked about you. We sat at a coffee shop and she told me all about this guy she met on a dating app. The way she talked about him and her excitement about him, I knew that he was something special, and before I think she was ready to admit it, just as a friend, I knew you were gonna be her person.
Sure, you guys will have your disagreements because love isn't always perfect. Love is facing challenges, overcoming obstacles, and fighting to be together. A strong marriage requires two people who choose to love each other even on those days when they struggle to even like each other. Or even when they decide rooting for the Penguins is a good idea. Go Wings! But what I have noticed over these past few years is the way the two of you bring out the best in one another and make each other better. You make each other whole and more complete, and I can't wait to watch the two of you continue to grow.
There's a couple things that you probably don't know about him. I'll fill you in. Here we go. Mark, when Mark was in kindergarten, he told his teacher, which you can ask my parents, he was raised by wolves. Unbelievable. Where does that even come from? Unbelievable. He was an athlete. He was voted on our soccer team most likely to catch a butterfly in the soccer field. Unbelievable. It was a great day. I want to thank everybody for coming here. Everybody, the food was great. It's time to party. Let's go. Raise your glasses. Cheers to you guys. Fire in the hole.
Question number 1. Whose team do you think will be winning the Stanley Cup? Who is the better cook? Next question. Who is more likely to forget to put gas in the car? Last question. Who said I love you first? Everybody give a nice round of applause for phenomenal bride and groom. Please give a nice round of applause for phenomenal bride and groom.
Well, you had a Corona, and I was drinking Bud Light. And that jukebox sang every song just right that night. Something brewing in the air, and it was more than just smoke. Looking back after two, you laughed at all my jokes. Tonight, let's raise them up to where we ended up. There's been highs and lows, fast lane freeways and bumpy roads. We cursed the devil, we prayed to heaven, lost it all and we rolled some sevens. Been more smiles than there's been tears, been more good than bad years. Ain't it crazy, baby, how we got here? Oh, it all started with a beer. Oh, it all started with an ice cold beer. I didn't have much money, but I covered them rounds. 'Cause a pretty girl like you makes a fella throw his money down. We weren't shooting no whiskey, but just shooting the shit. I paid the tab, we walked out the door. I remember thinking, this is it, yeah, you were it. Well, there's been highs and lows, fast lane freeways and bumpy roads. We cursed the devil and prayed to heaven, lost it all and we rolled some sevens. There's been more smiles than there's been tears, been more good than bad years. Ain't it crazy, baby, how we got here? Oh, it all started with a beer. Oh, it all started with an ice cold beer. It's you, baby. So tonight, let's raise them up to where we ended up. 'Cause there's been highs and lows, fast lane freeways and bumpy roads. Cursed the devil and prayed to heaven, lost it all and we rolled some sevens. There's been more smiles than there's been tears, been more good than bad years. Ain't it crazy, baby, how we got here? Oh, it all started with a beer.